To enter installer programming mode, begin by entering *8. Now enter the installer code. The default code is 5555. To enter wireless programming mode, enter the 3-digit section number for configuring wireless devices, which is 804. This will open the Enroll Device option 000. Note, all sections are assigned 3-digit codes that can be accessed by either entering the number into the keypad or by scrolling through the section menu using the arrow keys. Now on to Enrolling Devices. To enroll a device, press * to begin. You now have the option to auto-enroll or manually enroll a device. To auto-enroll, press and hold the Enroll button on the PowerG device and wait for the green LED on the device to light up. Once the LED lights up, release the Enroll button. Or, remove the battery pull tab or insert the battery into the device. Once the device ID appears on the keypad, confirm the device ID number by pressing *. To manually enroll, begin by pressing *. Then manually enter the device ID on the keypad. The keypad will beep and display the device ID number. Press * to confirm the device ID. Configuring wireless zones. Once the zone number appears, confirm it by pressing * or by entering the zone number into the keypad. Next, select the zone definition by using the arrow keys to scroll to the desired definition. Press * to confirm. To assign a partition, use the keypad to scroll to the desired partition. Press * to toggle from No to Yes to disable/enable the partition. Press the # key to confirm. To change the label from Default to Custom, press *. By using the arrow keys here, you can scroll through the various label options. Press * to select any of the label options. More information related to label configuration can be found in the reference manual. Press # to come out of the label options and press # again to confirm the label changes.